Hello children, how are you? Yes, I am also fine. Welcome to online maths class my dear children. Okay ma. So what did we learn in last class? Dear children, what did we learn in last class? Rotational symmetry. Okay, today the same topic, rotational symmetry, worksheet number 16. We learn about worksheet number 16, rotational symmetry. Okay, ma? So, dear children, you are a very good students. I know. So, very good. My dear students, very good. Welcome to online maths class. My dear children, see the slide. So today topic rotational symmetry. Okay, you already know rotational symmetry. Okay, so rotational symmetry also known as a radial symmetry in biology. Okay, it's the property a shape has when it is the same after some rotation by partial turn. Okay, an object's degree of rotational symmetry is turn of a in the which looks exactly same a rotation. Okay, so what is the rotational symmetry? The rotational symmetry is known as the radial symmetry. The property shape has when it is looked after same some rotational by the originator. Okay, dear children, see the next slide. So what letters are rotational symmetry? You already know rotational symmetry letters. So letters, rotational symmetry letters. So what are the main letters? So Z, H, okay. So yes, okay ma. So next letter N and O. Okay. So listen, children. So Z, H, S, N and O. So the alphabets is a H, S, N, O have a rotational symmetry. Okay, ma? So what letters are rotational symmetry? Dear children, look at the answer. So the alphabets is a H, S, N and O have a rotational symmetry. Okay, ma? So, rotational symmetry, you already know some shapes also rotational. Okay, so first one is parallelogram. Okay, so for example, rhombus. So, order of rotational symmetry, what is that? So, 2. Okay, so it is a intersection of a diagonals. Intersection of a diagonals. Okay, ma? So next we move to one of the shape. So what is the shape? So this is a rectangle. Okay, dear children, listen. So this is the original shape. Okay, so this is the rotate. Okay, so 90 degree, rotate 90 degree mark. So next shape. So this is 180. Okay. So next one, this shape done 270 degree. Okay. So the last rotate 360 degree. Okay. Dear children, listen. See the slide mark. So first one is original shape. Okay. See, I have one duster. Okay. So this is a original shape. Okay. So next I turn, I rotate duster. So this is a 90 degree. Okay. Dear children, listen. Okay. Listen, ma. So first this is the original shape. I rotate 90 degree. and this one is 180 degree, and this is 270 degree, and this is 360 degree. So this is the same original shape. Okay, once again, so this is original shape. Okay, so I rotate 90 degree and original 180 degree. Okay, so this is 270 degree and original 360 degree. Okay, ma, you understand? Okay, listen. So next one, you already know worksheet number 16. Okay, dear children, take a worksheet number 16, page number 91. Take a page number 91, worksheet number 16. Students, please take fast. You have a time. So 5 seconds time only. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, students, please take a maths book and take a page number 91, worksheet number 16. Take a sharpened pencil, eraser. Okay, students, take fast. Okay, so first one, draw two objects that have a rotational symmetry. So, dear children, so we see 3, question number 3. Okay, now we go to see question number 3. Okay, so what's the question? Classify the objects as having line symmetry or rotational symmetry. Okay, students, so now we go to identify. So which one is symmetry, line symmetry or rotational symmetry? So write them in the diagram below. Okay, ma? So see some examples. So what is the first one? So flower. Okay, so first picture is flower. So second one, semicircle. So what is the second one? Semicircle. So third one, letter yes. Okay, so third one letter yes. Okay, so listen. So this one, sun. Okay, so this picture, sun. Okay, what is this? So this is hourglass. Okay, ma. So this is hourglass. Okay, so what is this? So this is a fan. Picture of fan. Okay, so what is the last picture? So this is owl. Okay, so dear children, listen. So Venn diagram is here. Okay, this is a Venn diagram. Okay, you studied in 9th, 10th classes. Okay, so we separate a line symmetry and both rotational symmetry. Okay, dear children, listen. Okay, so this is one of our Venn diagram. Okay, ma. So now we classify the object as having a line symmetry or rotational symmetry. Okay, so first one is a line symmetry. Line symmetry. Children, listen. So you take a page number 91. Students, take a page number 91. Okay, now we go to identify. So which one is line symmetry or rotational symmetry? Okay, so first one is line symmetry. So first one title, line symmetry. Okay, so next one, rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. Okay, dear children. So, first one, flower. Okay, so this is line symmetry or rotational symmetry. Dear children, so first one is flower, it's a boat. Okay, okay. So first one is flat. So both. Okay. Dear children. Second one semicircle. It's a line symmetry. So semicircle. Okay, ma. So last letter yes. Okay. So it's a rotational symmetry. Letter yes. Okay. So next one sun. So it is a rotational symmetry and line of symmetry. Okay, ma. So sun is a both side of symmetry. Okay, dear children. So next one hourglass. What is that? Hourglass. So it's a line symmetry. Hourglass. Okay. So next one fan. So this is also line symmetry. Okay. So last one owl. Okay. Last one owl. So this is also okay. Dear children, do you understand? So listen. So classify the object as having a line symmetry or rotational symmetry. Okay. So now we identify. So line symmetries are students. You also see this slide. So line symmetry, semicircle, hourglass, owl and fan. Okay. So rotational symmetry, letter yes and hourglass. Okay. So this is the line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Okay. So both side symmetries, flower and sun. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Okay. So, okay. Now we go to move recap. So, the main topic is over. So, today, recap. Recap or revision the status. Okay. So, what are the main topics? So, first, symmetry letters, simple shapes, and complex shapes, and rotational symmetry. So, these are the main topics in symmetry. Now, we go to move recap. Okay. So, dear children, identify the given figure as a line segment or ray and write its name and symbol. Okay, ma? So, what is the first picture? Dear children, so what is the first picture? So, dear children, listen. So, this is the first picture. See the board. So, this is the first picture. So, identify. So, what is the name? So now this name, so this is ray. What is this? So this is ray. So its name, below that P and Q, say ray, P, Q. Okay, ma? So next one, symbol. So P, Q, ray. Okay, once again, dear children, so first picture, so identify the first picture, so this is ray and the name of ray PQ and ray PQ, okay. So next picture, question number B, CD, okay. So what is the name of the picture, dear children, tell the answer. So this is the line segment. So identify the name as the line segment. Okay, ma? So next one name. So line segment CD, C and D. Okay, dear children. So line segment C D. Okay, dear children, listen. So this is a line segment and this name is line segment CD. Okay, so its symbol CD. CD. Okay, do you understand, ma? So what is the first picture? So this is the ray. Okay, so this name ray PQ and this is the symbol ray of PQ, and it's also, so this is the line segment, and this is the line segment of CD, and CD, this is the symbol. Okay, do you understand, ma? Okay, dear children. So second and third, this is homework for you. Okay. Dear children, draw and write the number of a symmetry for the following shapes. Okay, students, draw and write the number of line of symmetry for the following shapes. Okay, so first picture, one of arrow. Okay, arrow. So this is line of symmetry. For example, I draw one arrow. Okay. So the line of symmetry 1. Okay. Dear children, write fast. So second. The second picture. So this is also divided into one line. So the line of symmetry 1. One line of symmetry. Okay. Have a time. So take fast. Okay. So 5 seconds only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, listen, mark. So first picture, arrow mark. So this is the one line of symmetry. So second one, the shirt. So this is also one line of symmetry. Okay, you understand, mark? So dear children, listen. The first one is arrow mark. So this is one line of symmetry. So second one also shirt. So this is the one line of symmetry. Okay, you understand? So next one. Identify if the object has rotational symmetry. You already know rotational symmetry. Yes, am I right? Okay. For example, so what is this? This is arrow mark. Okay. So okay, this is triangle. Okay. So this is one rotational symmetry, and so this is also rotational symmetry 270 degree. Okay. So last one 360 degree. So it's the original shape. Okay. So you also draw some shapes. Okay. Have a time. So take a time 15 seconds. Okay, so I draw one triangle. So you also draw any pictures. Okay, rectangle, square or shirt, arrow mark, flowers, sun. Okay, dear children. So 15 seconds time only. Okay, take fast. So take draw. Okay, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, students, you finished? Okay, so today topic, now we go to summarize the topics. Okay, see the slide. Okay, so today topic rotational symmetry and recap. Okay, so first one is rotational symmetry. A rotational symmetry, also known as a radial symmetry, is the biology. Okay, so is the property as shape has been looks like the same after some rotation. Okay, it's a partial turn and object's degree of a rotational symmetry is the number of distinct origins in the which is like exactly same for the rotation. Okay, so exactly same for each rotation. It's the main word. Okay, so dear children, please take a pencil. So underline the word. So exactly same for each rotation. Okay. So, what letters are rotational symmetry? You already know. So, the alphabets is Z, H, S, N and O have a rotational symmetry. What are the main alphabet letters? Okay, dear children, you also. Okay, ma. So, what letters are rotational symmetry? So, the alphabets is Z, H, S, N and O have a rotational symmetry. Dear children, so what are the letters? Z, H, S, N and O. Okay. So, dear children, so next one. So rotational symmetry, some shapes. Okay, shapes are there. So parallelogram, okay, polygon, rhombus, circle, trapezium, and kite. Okay, so these are the main rotational symmetry shapes. So you already know that the rectangle. Okay, so what is the shape? So this is the rectangle shape. So already, so you have seen a tester example. So this is a one of your rectangle shape. So original shape. So this is the 90 degree and 180 degree and 270 degree and original shape 360 degree. Okay. Once again. So this is original shape. So 100 and this is 90 degree. Okay, dear children. So, what is this degree of the rotation? So, it's the 90 degree. Okay, so this is the original 180 degrees. Okay, so next one. So, this is 270 degree. 270 degree. So, this one original 360 degree. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Okay, dear children. So next one, rotational symmetry. Okay, so dear children, you take a page number 91. So now identify Venn diagram. So it's a line symmetry and rotational symmetry and both. Okay, so first one is a semicircle, hourglass, oval, fan. So these are the line symmetry. Okay. So rotational symmetry, letter S and hourglass. Okay. So this is a rotational symmetry. So what is that? Rotational symmetry. So both symmetries are flower and sun. Okay. Flower and sun. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Okay. Dear children. So now we go to recap. Okay. Okay. So first picture. So it's a ray. Okay. So see the slide, ma. So first one, ray. Okay. So name ray PQ. So symbol PQ ray. Okay. So second one also identify this name line segment. Okay. So name line segment CD. Line segment CD. So symbol CD. Okay. So next one, draw and write the number of lines of symmetry for the following shapes. Okay, so first one is the arrow mark, one of the arrow mark. So it's a line of symmetry. So one line of symmetry. So second picture is a shirt, one of a shirt or t-shirt. Okay, so this is the one line of symmetry. Okay, dear children, do you understand? So next one, identify if the object has rotational symmetry. So first one, the picture of lotus. So this is no. So identify the object has no rotational symmetry. So first one, so this is not a rotational symmetry. So write a no. Okay. So second picture is one of the circle or using a drive. Okay. So it's a rotational symmetry. Okay. So this one is rotational symmetry. Okay. Dear children, you understand today topic. So what are the main topics? So rotational symmetry and recap. Okay. Today's topics are rotational symmetry and recap. Okay. Dear children, today homework. So please note it. So take a page number 91. So first one, worksheet number 16. Draw two objects that have a rotational symmetry, and this one also. Okay, draw two objects that have a line symmetry. Okay, so first one and second questions are homework, and then take a page number 92. Dear children, 92. So second and third sum also homework. So worksheet number 17. Okay. So thank you, my dear children. Take care. Bye.